AI tools such as ChatGPT have the ability to save small businesses hours of their valuable time each and every week. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways you can get started today. The first example that I want to go through is great for individuals who are coming into a new business and want to get a lay of the land in terms of the business's online reputation, what customers think of them, or for even business owners that want to take stock of how customers are perceiving their experience, products, and services online. So instead of scrolling through your third-party platforms, your Google business profile to look at reviews left by your customers, you can use ChatGPT to summarize all of your online reviews within 30 seconds. So what you want to do is head to a platform where you've got your online reviews, and you just want to, I'm just using this business as an example. I just chose a random business. So what you want to do is you just want to start copying and pasting a page or so of reviews. Once you've done that, you just want to copy that and head over to ChatGPT and ask it this simple question. Analyze these online reviews of my business and identify key strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Display the results in a table format. So I've just pasted it in there, and as you can see, it is immediately starting to pull key mentions and insights from the online reviews, and I've displayed it in a really easy, digestible way. So that is the first one. It's a great way to just take stock of how you're being perceived online, and a great opportunity to identify any areas of improvement or things that you can work on conveying better, whether it's your experience. It's just a great exercise for businesses to do, and this way allows you to do it really quickly. The second example, admittedly, is one of my favorite ways to use ChatGPT. So whether you're a small business owner or not, you can spend a lot of time writing emails a week, a month, a year, unnecessarily. So what I like to do is I like to just outline some dot points, some thoughts of what I want my email to include, and then I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll ask it to improve it. So I just started typing out a really random email with a caravan park as an example. So I'm pretending as if I'm responding to a customer who wants to stay with us but wants to bring their pet. So I'm just responding saying that we aren't pet friendly and there's several reasons why. But if you pause to read this email doesn't flow well. It took me 30 seconds to type out. It was just thoughts from my head. And instead of spending another 10, 15 minutes rephrasing it, rewriting it to sound a bit more professional, what I can do is I can just copy and paste this email into ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite and improve it. You can do a lot here. You can ask it, and you can be more specific. You can ask it to write it in a professional way, a more lighthearted way. You can ask it to be humorous. You can ask it to be stern yet conversational and friendly. So what it's done is just rewritten this email in a way that is more professional and what a business would send to a customer. The only difference is it didn't take you 10 plus minutes to write. It took you all of 30 seconds. The third example isn't necessarily business related, but I think we can all relate to this. So I've just asked ChatGPT, well, I've told ChatGPT that I'm a very busy working mum. Clearly I'm not, but I've told ChatGPT I have all of these ingredients in my fridge, in my pantry. Create a list of dinners that I can create and cook for my family within the week that doesn't require a lot of prep time and many more ingredients than what I already have. So it's as simple as opening up your fridge doors, writing down what you have, and within seconds, it's going to create a list of meals you can cook throughout the week, how to do so, instructions, as well as what additional ingredients you need to get in order to create these meals. The fourth example is jumping back into business, and I want to show you how ChatGPT can help problem solve. So I've said here, help me solve a problem in my business. I have 3 staff sick over the next 3 weeks and can use your help brainstorming solutions. So the things it has recommended is to adjust schedules. So redistribute shifts to ensure adequate coverage during peak hours. That's a great solution. Cross-train your staff, prioritize tasks, seek temporary assistance. So within seconds, it's just provided some solutions that you may want to delve into more and figure out whether it is an appropriate solution for your business. The fifth and final example is using ChatGPT to help respond to your online reviews. As we know, this can be a very tedious and time-consuming task, but it's very important in your online reputation management strategy. We know that there is no amount of advertising that can offset a very poor and negative reputation. So it's not just a great way to respond to negative reviews and do so in a way that's really polite, professional, and doesn't, make your customers even more unhappy, but it also helps with responding to positive reviews. So I'm going to ask it to craft a response for this online review. Now, there is a lot of ways to streamline this process, make it a bit more personalized, tailored, but as you can see, it's starting to craft a really long response. So this is where you can put in parameters around the length, the tone, the style, what to include. Having really personable, tailored, and thoughtful responses not only helps that customer feel valued, but it also helps potential customers who are looking at online reviews before they book with you. So this is another great way to just help streamline an admin task that seemingly may take a long time, that you often put off, but can be done really quickly through the use of ChatGPT. I hope this was a helpful little quick video around 5 different ways you can use ChatGPT in your small business to save time.